Welcome back! In this tutorial, we're exploring one of the most creative features in Pixlr, adding and styling text. Let's start by adding some text to your canvas. Select the Text tab from the left-hand toolbar. You can choose from preset templates, or click Add New Text to type your own. Pixlr offers a wide range of fonts, from clean, modern typefaces to decorative and script styles. And you can even upload your own to match your brand or design. Once your text is in place, you can fine-tune it with options on the right panel. Adjust the color, size, and alignment, or style it with bold, italics, shadows, outlines, and background colors. You can also tweak spacing, opacity, or rotation to position it perfectly within your design. Want something more eye-catching? Try adding warp or curve to shape your text into dynamic layouts. Use the sliders or preset parameters to control how your text bends, curves, or distorts. You'll be surprised how these subtle tweaks can completely transform the look and feel of your message. Here are 2 quick tips to level up your typography game. 1. Rasterize your text before applying effects. If you plan to apply filters, distortions, or other image effects, flatten your text layer first. This converts it into an editable image layer, giving you full control over how it looks. You can also open it in Pixlr Editor to experiment with more advanced filters and effects. 2. Use mask blending modes for textured effects. Want to give your text a bit of personality? Mask it over another layer, or use blending mode to overlay textures, patterns, or even images. Great for creative titles, branded visuals, or posters with impact. Feel free to experiment with different font combinations, colors, and textures. Mix and match fonts, pair bold headlines with subtle subtext, and try color overlays, gradients, or even texture fills. There's no single way to style text, so have fun and see what works for your design. Give the text tool a try. You'll be amazed at how far a few words can go in your design.